Oh, hey guys. Today we have Hardik Sharma. He's a senior from third year, now in fourth year. So, Hardik Bhaiya, would you like to tell us about yourself? What are your interests and like something like that?
Okay, so you guys know my name. I'm Hardik, and yes, I've recently cracked JP Morgan's, uh, yes, you can say pre-placement offer. And my main tech stack, you can say, is into gaming. So I'm more of a game developer. Unity, C Sharp for game development, AR, VR. That is my main strength.
Oh, they knew about gaming. I was
Yeah,
like, software and stuff, and you're like something like that. So, Bhaiya, before we get to the JP Morgan stuff and your placement and stuff, I want to know about, everyone here, the juniors haven't been to college, like they've studied everything
seriously.
online. Yeah, they haven't been to college even once, like about 98% of the people over here. So, so would you like to tell them about your college experience apart from the academics? Like what was your first year like, then the second year, like something that you'd like to
Okay.
share?
First challenge which you will face is the hostel food. You have probably seen it in all web series. Okay, be it Hostel Days, be it Kota Factory, be it whichever web series you call it, the first problem which you face is hostel food. The second problem, I believe, it's not a more of a problem. It's more of getting to know each other,
Hmm,
like creating new friends, creating new circle, network circle. The one major plus point you should all of you must be having is creating a genuine friend circle. अगर दोस्त अच्छे हैं तो सब कुछ अच्छा हो जाएगा अपने आप.
definitely.
And चलो, let's start from first year. फर्स्ट ईयर में क्या किया था याद करते हैं देखो.
Yes.
Okay, so first year college like actually recently got opened. Okay, like
Hmm.
we are the second years only, like second batch in terms of that. And
Ah,
as far as I remember, we had only around 3 or 4 buildings,
yep.
and
Yep.
it was full greenery.
Hmm.
So उसका एक अलग मजा था. We used to go for long walks, especially if has like none of you have gone into college, right? Like एक बार भी नहीं.
No. नहीं नहीं
Right.
लाइक आई एंड अनिकेत हैव बीन टू द कॉलेज क्योंकि हम लोग सेकेंड ईयर से बाकी दीज गाइस तो so bad, so
Okay,
I feel
so
so bad from them.
like Anmol, आप second year से, right?
मैं सेकेंड ईयर से नाउ थर्ड ईयर.
So okay, so all the second year guys must be knowing how the long walk from the boys' hostel to the college looks like.
Yes, भैया.
हाँ. That-
उस especially after the snacks, उसका अलग
Yeah.
मजा आता है.
मजा आता है. You don't tell it मजा है, दिल. बाप रे.
Okay,
Isn't it more like सजा?
नहीं सजा नहीं मजा
नहीं
था.
मतलब स्नैक्स के बाद चलना सजा.
स्नैक्स के साथ Sayan is a
Okay,
Bengali. He most probably sleeps after snacks.
या
अच्छा. आप सो कहाँ से हैं आप सैन? कोलकाता से.
यस.
अच्छा, हाई फाइव.
आप आप भी
हाँ,
आप भी बंगाली हो?
नहीं बंगाली नहीं हूँ लेकिन हाँ कोलकाता से हूँ. सो या सो फर्स्ट ईयर में सबसे मेजर चीज़ है कि गेट इनटू एवरीथिंग एंड एनीथिंग, लाइक ऑल स्पेशली ऑफ योर इंटरेस्ट, लाइक अपने इंटरेस्ट के बाहर ना जाना. ऐसा नहीं है कि तुम डांसर और म्यूजिक का करके आ गए, झमेला होगा. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हैव अ क्लीन स्लीप शेड्यूल, मेंटल हेल्थ एंड गुड फ्रेंड सर्कल. उसके बाद अपने इंटरेस्ट की चीज़ें, लाइक फॉर मी इट वॉज I got into a competition, like it was started by Shriram sir. Like everyone must be knowing him, right? So what we did was there was a competition called I Love VIT Mobile competition. We had to develop a mobile game and a VR. So वहाँ से game development का interest आया. Then In the second year, I participated in SIH. Like, does anyone know about SIH or no?
I don't know. I don't think so. SIH के बारे में लोगों को पता है.
Okay. So SIH is basically Smart India Hackathon. It is, as the name suggests, a hackathon, but it is done by the government of India, especially by AICTC. And इसमें क्या है basically हमारा कि from different colleges, like we have to build a team, and each college से कम 2 या teams जाती हैं. And first of all national level है, so तुम्हें एक अच्छा खासा broad view मिल जाएगा. Participates in hackathon, and again जैसे network circle जो तुमने friends बनाए ना, अभी काम आएंगे hackathons के time पे. And second, in the end of second year, I started making my resume. So like, has all of you finished your resume or like building a resume right now?
कोड अकेडमी टीम को तो आई मेड देम मेक द रेज्यूमे इन द स्टार्टिंग इटसेल्फ, जिससे वो बूस्ट वाला हैप्पी रियलाइजेशन होता है ना कि खाली रेज्यूमे हमारा, वो इनको अभी हो जाए. यू नो लाइक.
Right. Okay. So at the end of second year, I started to build my resume. Second year खत्म नहीं हुआ कि कोविड आ गया.
हाँ हाँ.
ठीक. Then in third year, we won the Smart India Hackathon, and क्योंकि इट्स नेशनल लेवल, सो बहुत अच्छा खासा आपको क्या कहते हैं रिस्पॉन्स मिलेगा हर तरफ से.
Definitely.
And in third year, it's more of skills development, DSA, and even core concepts like SQL. SQL is very important. Like लिख लो उसको, कहीं पे गोला बना के लिख लो SQL है करना, important है क्या है.
हाँ, many people don't know about SQL कि it's that important कि सब DSA के पीछे भागते हैं.
Even if you're in web development, you will need SQL. Game development SQL. SQL is base कि आपका even data analytics में भी SQL लगेगा आपको.
Definitely.
So SQL is super important. And और किसके लिए है? In third year, around after 7 to 8 months, I finally got my ideal resume. So resume iterate करते रहना, like iterate your resume, and the best thing which you can do is not follow a format. Don't follow standard format of a resume. Create your own. एक खुद का जब बनाओगे उसका एक अलग मजा आता है.
So now I didn't want to go on to the resume part, but still I'm asking, did you make your resume through a template या फिर आपने Word पे एक एक line खींची वैसे बनाया, something like that? How did you make it? What software?
Like the first resume which I made was of 2 pages, and I created on a Word.
Alright.
First mistake, creating a resume of 2 pages.
Yeah, that is why.
Okay. Then in that resume, actually, like I put everything, like be it soft skills, be it hard skills, be it certifications, be it references, anything and whatever. Then in my latest iteration, right now it's of 1 page. And the topics which I have right now is mainly contact information, work experience projects, profile, education, extracurriculars, and coding profiles.
Yeah.
Coding profiles as in code chef हो गया, lead code, hacker rank.
Okay.
So like, is anyone interested in competitive programming over here? कोई हाथ खड़े उठा दो या कुछ बोल दो, बता दो कैसा एक्सपीरियंस है.
See how many. See just there are like 10, 11, 12, 15, 16. सबको पता है भैया, I'm telling you, the second year batch is so active. They want to do everything, but there's not good ideas, because they haven't been to college. They haven't met their seniors. They haven't met anyone. So there's so much confusion between them. Like हम लोगों को तो you guys were always there to, कि सामने आमने रूम रहता था, शाम को ही आ गए ऐसे like
Hmm.
so, but they never got that. So now let's get to the DSA question. फिर हम फिर से JP Morgan पे and we'll get to the placement.
ठीक.
Were you good at coding in the first year? What was your level? Like
Okay, so a bit background knowledge. मेरा 11th-12th में कोडिंग था.
अच्छा. Mm-hmm.
Like I had computer science in class 11 and 12. वो होता है ना
Mm-hmm.
कि साइंस के साथ हम एक्स्ट्रा सब्जेक्ट क्या चाहिए.
Yep.
Okay.
IT
So
kind of.
yeah, not IT, it was computer science only. तो उसमें we I had a good knowledge of C++,
Mm-hmm.
be it OOPS concept, be C++.
Uh-huh.
नहीं है, कोई डरने की बात नहीं है. You have first year, you have second year, कुछ नहीं होता. Chill है.
Hmm.
Okay. First year, build at least, like in first year at least have a common core concepts, like what is object oriented programming.
हाँ.
जितने अच्छे से क्लियर होगा, बी कॉल इट क्रिस्टल क्लियर. ठीक है. लाइक सपोज मैं भी किसी से क्वेश्चन पूछूं व्हाट इज इनहेरिटेंस, पता होना चाहिए.
Hmm. Theory and basics, right?
हाँ, बेसिक्स मतलब कम से कम ऑब्जेक्ट ओरिएंटेड प्रोग्रामिंग पता होना चाहिए कि ऑब्जेक्ट
हाँ.
ओरिएंटेड प्रोग्रामिंग क्या है, प्रोसीजर क्या है, व्हाट्स द डिफरेंस बिटवीन कंपाइलर एंड व्हाट्स द डिफरेंस बिटवीन एन इंटरप्रेटर.
Yep. Hmm.
ठीक है.
Exactly.
कोर
What
कॉन्सेप्ट्स
about
हुआ.
your DSA, bhaiya? What
हाँ,
was your DSA level? Like when did you start studying DSA? Uh,
इन सेकेंड लेवल, सेकेंड ईयर.
second year
नॉट
के
लेवल,
beginning
सॉरी.
में did you start like with
In
the
second
DSA?
year beginning, it's more of first year end, like first year end and second year beginning.
Mm-hmm.
That's when I started working on CodeChef.
All right. And
First of all, I started with CodeChef. Then in CodeChef, I was a two-star coder for almost like 8 to 10 months, or even far more than that.
hmm.
I don't
Hmm.
remember. Then I realized that I don't have a good grip on my DSM. Took a break from CodeChef, went to Geeks for Geeks. Okay, Geeks for Geeks, there's a practice section.
Hmm.
If anyone has like
Yeah.
खोल के देखा होगा. Get into DSA, मतलब second year के end तक, yes, in mid of second year, if you are into DSA, for 1 year of consistency effort, third year में you will be actually good at it.
Yeah. So like वही ना, Geek for Geeks के practice session में जाओ, you pick the array hashtag, you
Yeah,
learn it and then practice it. Same process, right?
yeah. इसको मैं अगर सिंपल में करूँ ना, लाइक जो प्रोसेस मैंने गलत किया था, बाद में मैंने एक तरीके से स्ट्रीमलाइन किया.
Mm-hmm.
फर्स्ट ईयर गो इनटू Geeks for Geeks, second year go into CodeChef, third year lead code, okay,
Mm-hmm.
and second year CodeChef with hacker rank if you can do it. Okay. Third year lead code. Lead code is what basically थोड़ा high standard है. Company specific questions आप मिलेगा. And since it's third year, so third year में आपको PPO का भी chances मिलते हैं.
Yeah. Hmm.
And even if you don't get a PPO, it's well and good. Fourth year है, 3 साल का knowledge भी है. fourth year में अच्छे से निकाल सकते हैं.
And आपने C++ में किया कि you switched on to other language or something like that?
Okay, so this was the mistake which I did.
Mm-hmm.
I was hyped about Python.
हाँ.
Like in first year, I was hyped about Python, especially after like reading an article on how Google has incorporated Python in its like all its processes.
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
So I felt कि Python ही भगवान है.
अच्छा.
Don't do that, and like play at your strengths. If you know C++, then go C++. If you know Java, go with Java.
Mm-hmm.
अगर preference दिया जाए तो better will be Java. C++ has its own strengths, especially because it has pointers. Java doesn't have pointers.
Yeah.
And the main advantage of Java is most of the companies in placement ask for Java. At least the problem is the companies are using Java libraries.
Hmm. Hmm.
So kind of they expect you to switch into Java at any point, like eventually हो जाता.
Acha. All right.
Even
So
if you're
that's
C++ guy like me, have a basic knowledge of Java, nothing else.
all right. So you like in the first you had a knowledge of C++, but then you went into Python, then you switched back to C++, then you learned into DSA and stuff, like
Yeah.
then Code Chef, then again back to Geek for Geeks, and then again Code Chef and Late Coder as a
Yeah.
kind of roadmap, right? So you guys see it's not even second year started for you guys, and they're all panicking. Every day I see 5 to 10 DMs ki bhaiya C++ kaise hoga, and some people are actually demotivated because they're like we didn't get to study DSA well. They are you cannot expect everything from VIT Bhopal University. They have a limited time, and like they can teach only so much, and प्रैक्टिस तो खुद ही करनी पड़ेगी आई मीन
देखो इसका मैं it's
भैया
a
इट्स ऑन
tough
रिकॉर्ड
road.
इट्स ऑन रिकॉर्ड
Exactly, it's a tough road.
या
It's a tough road.
it's a tough road. Let's end that with the tough road keyword itself.
Nice.
Yeah. Coming on to the next question. Like many people now in the second year, they're like, they like ye clubs and chapters inke through they've been introduced so many domains, the development side, web development, machine learning, and data science, Android. They've been introduced to so much stuff abhi se hi. So what do you think in the whole these 4 year this block that we have, do the second years should go into the development side, or should they focus on the DSA and competitive program? Because what they are
Go into
doing
development.
from abhi
Simple
se
is अभी से. But simple projects. ऐसा फेस रिकॉग्निशन नहीं चाहिए किसी को भी अभी. आप पीएचडी की स्टूडेंट नहीं हैं, आप बीटेक के हैं.
yeah
Do a simple see development is as I said, I'm into gaming, right? Okay. The first game I built was in first year, and that too was a normal PC game, then a VR game. Even in second year I built a lot of games. Okay.
uh-huh.
So is like is anyone over here is into gaming? कोई gaming का बंदा
Gamers, hand raise करो.
नहीं है तो ठीक है, कोई दिक्कत नहीं. Okay. So like who is into web development or AI or something?
अब वेब वाले
Anyone?
ये
We are
सामने
having hands now.
yeah
Okay. So even if suppose you are into web development, create a basic simple website on any kind of login, like login authorization, Firebase, and like take simpler projects. Simple.
hype up नहीं करना है basically.
Yeah, don't hype up, and the main thing is first understand what you want. Okay. Like if you're confused on what to go for AI, or if you want to go for ML, if you want to go for data analytics, if you want to go for web development, Android development, then we have different frameworks called React, Angular, and Node.js, and I don't know what else. Okay.
Yep.
So simple solution, go to YouTube, see vloggers, see how their life is.
Yeah.
Like especially see what work they do. Vloggers जो vlogging करते हैं.
Yeah. All right. Now I'm kind of interested. You told about DSA, then you went on to CP, and now you're also talking about.
There's disturbance from your side. Just check your.
All right. Is it cool now?
Yeah.
All right. So you talked about DSA, then आपने CP की बात की, and then you also talked about web development and domains development basically. So
Yeah.
what skill do you think abhi just for right now सेकेंड ईयर्स वालों को ये स्किल बिल्ड करनी चाहिए और थर्ड ईयर्स वालों को ये स्किल बिल्ड करनी चाहिए. व्हाट स्किल्स डू यू थिंक कि यू नो लाइक वी शुड बिल्ड?
Okay, so first of all, if you're in second year, you can try to get your hands dirty on different frameworks and development. Like according to me, if you're in third year, you should try to get your core strengths right, like core subjects, and into DSM.
अच्छा, तो
Like
पहले we can do web D वगैरह, do development, and then we can pop
हाँ,
into DSA ऐसा.
yeah. See, DSA is something like not everyone likes it. Okay,
Yeah.
not everyone likes DSA.
Yeah.
But development side is something which is simple, and when you actually see things get working, right? Suppose if you have created a basic website, you get that instant gratification that I have created something.
Yeah. Exactly.
So that confidence will help you in DSA.
You have something, I can do this. I've done WebD. Now I can, do DSA. Maybe it's a little bit hard for me. Like a momentum kind of, like.
एक momentum generate होगा. Yes.
All right. So, tell us about your projects, Bhaiya. Like, what projects did you put on your resume? Because you must have made so many, but what were your core main projects did you do?
Okay, so the first and foremost, my favorite project was called as Agnikai. Okay,
All
and
right.
it's basically a fire-based safety training solution. And I created it for the Smart India Hackathon, which I said.
Mm-hmm.
And why is it my favorite? Because I have worked on it for almost an year.
Yeah.
Okay, and that too in a remote location. Someone else had the VR. I had to create the application, upload it. Then she used to check and
Check
give
it.
me the feedback.
Oh my God. That's even better, worse than the compiler wala part. Nowadays
हाँ,
people are not using the like separate. They don't use the command box, command prompt. IDE में ही सबको code करना है. तो like we had this competition earlier and we asked them to just code in the command prompt, like use the command prompt, not the ID. So they were like, oh, this is so hard, बार बार iterate करना पड़ेगा. And now you guys listen to Bhaiya, like he coded something, then he sent it, then the other person used to upload it, use it, and then वो bugs बताते होंगे या errors, and then it would get back to him. Then कितना लंबा loop kind of.
हाँ. And especially I remember how I used to like be awake till 2 or 3 in the night. सिर्फ यही काम कर रहा है. Because obviously everyone is at home, so किसी क्या relatives है, किसी का कुछ है, कोई ना कोई situation है. Around midnight, everything calms down, then we can work accordingly.
Yeah, exactly. वो ambience ही अलग रहता है, kind of like
हाँ.
that work ambience, feel आता है, lights वाइट्स on करके थोड़ा coding ऐसे. All right. Hardik भैया, tell me about your internship. I mean, आपको तो third year के end में you get a pre-placement offer from JP Morgan. But did you do any internship, like tech internship or something like that beforehand?
Yeah, I did an internship and it is currently going right now too. Like
अच्छा, you're continuing
it's a
that.
1 year internship right now.
Oh my God. So
Okay. So इसका बहुत interesting story है. Okay. What happened was at the end of second year पे we had COVID, right? We didn't know when the third year is about to happen. So during that time, again, due to some connections and from college itself, I got a internship chance in a company called Straight Line Games. Okay. Okay, so चलेगा.
No, you're here. All of us are here. Yeah.
So
Yes, we are here only.
नहीं तो कैमरा ऑफ कर दिया. मेरे को अब लग रहा है मैं अपने आप से बात कर रहा हूँ.
नहीं, actually I wanted to do the curtains though. Ah.
See, so during that time, I got into the internship in the Streetlamp Games as a gaming studio based on Hyderabad.
Mm-hmm.
And what we do is we usually create hyper casual games.
What?
Okay.
Pardon?
Hyper casual games.
Acha.
Hyper casual games is a genre of games ki, jo, which we play on mobile for time pass.
All right. So, the games that we get ads about on
Yeah,
Instagram,
mostly
right?
that. Mostly
Yeah.
about that.
Mm-hmm.
So, and that it was a initially it was a 3 month internship. Okay, completed
Mm-hmm.
those 3 months. Then even during that time, we didn't know like when the college was supposed to get reopened.
Yeah.
And what I did was like along with my friends, we just said to the sir over there, like the CEO of the gaming studio, that we want to continue. And
Hmm.
till now, we are in that phase only.
Oh, so like you started for just 3 months and then elongate होते अब 1 साल आ गया है.
Yeah, even even that sir was like he liked us because obviously we had a gaming background
Hmm.
because
Hmm.
gaming का tag है. Gaming background, we knew about Unity. We had good mechanics knowledge, and one of one of my friend had good knowledge of Blender. He is a
All
3D
right.
artist, so even the sir liked us as an intern, so he asked us to continue. So that's
Mm-hmm.
more of it.
All right. So that's kind of great, like this is a big flex, actually. कि हमें तो 3 महीने के लिए बुलाया था, but we worked for like 1 year, like we were. It's such a good flex that you can use. All right,
Exactly.
Hera, like it's,
बहुत करा है इस पे बहुत तगड़ा फ्लेक्स मारा है इस पे
you, oh my God, this is so good. Now finally coming to the placements, Hadik Bhaiya, like we've got like just 30 minutes, and after this 10 minutes, 15 minutes, they'll just start popping in questions. Before that, we should complete our talk. वरना मेरे doubts clear नहीं होंगे. So first tell me about the placement scenario in VIT Bhopal. Like what is basically the placement training that we all await for? That November, December में जो चालू होती है. How does that go?
See, so placement training, what we saw, like
Hmm.
when I was at your place, okay.
Yeah.
So जब मैं second year में था, what I saw at third year doing as placement training was it was very rigorous. Okay.
Yeah.
What they used to do was formals पहन के आओ.
वो तो I've seen that. Oh my God.
Okay, you have probably seen that, right?
Yeah,
You
yeah,
have
I've seen that.
seen like a lot of people running in formals.
हाँ.
Then उनका rigorous training I remember was they had to give exams after like lunch hour, like
हाँ.
the VIT का lunch hour होता है ना, like from 2 to oh,
250 तक रहता है, I guess. Yeah.
250 है, right? So after lunch hour just वहाँ पे उनको exam देना पड़ता था.
Hmm.
So I've seen that rigorous training. Fortunately or unfortunately मेरे साथ नहीं हुआ.
हाँ, online.
Online.
कोरोना
So
की
first,
जगह.
what happened with us was we were given with three trainers, like options for three trainers, okay,
Hmm.
and we were divided into those classes. वहाँ पे they uh, from there we learned about data structures, as we said, then different codings and how to approach interview, then mock interviews, aptitude exams, and किसी को like platform मिला Examly, like has anyone got like heard of this platform?
No,
Okay,
I
so
haven't.
it will come later, like later down the stage. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so Examly is nothing but just imagine a platform where VIT put some interviews question from various companies and different aptitude questions. In company specific questions भी आएंगे. and they will ask you to solve it. Basically, practice karo. They will make you brush up your own skills.
Yes.
So the training process which I saw for the seniors was rigorous. For us, because it is uh, it, because of the lockdown situation and COVID, it is a bit less rigorous. But yeah, even we struggle a lot right now.
Yeah, I've seen the hard work that goes into it, like I'm kind of preparing myself from right now कि अभी नवंबर में चालू होने वाला है, and we'll stop sleeping in the afternoons, start waking up early, some, small
No,
habits. Because हमारा तो offline होगा ना हार्दिक भैया, we never know.
all the best then. I guess we are the only blessed ones.
uh, I remember I heard somewhere that you guys were also asked to put on the formals for the online placements also, like training also, shirts
Not for
and
the
tie.
online, not for the online training, but for the online interviews, yes.
So online mock interviews or the like company wale
Even
to.
online mock interviews. Like right now, I've gone through 2 mock interviews,
All right. So
and yeah, that's pretty much it.
still half dressing is good, na? Like shoes, belt and all that. नीचे पजामे में बैठे you like
Uh, record it.
again record. All right, Hardik bhaiya, tell me about JP Morgan. Like, how did you get into it? Where did you apply? Did you apply from VIT Bhopal or, like, did you apply from outside? Like,
No, okay. So first of all, I applied it from VIT Bhopal itself, like the placement, sir.
hmm,
Don't call it VIT Bhopal. Okay, what happening is there are 4 individual universities or colleges.
yeah,
Then there's one thing which is called placement cell. Placement
yeah,
cell is responsible for all the 4.
hmm,
Okay,
अच्छा,
so consider it as 4 blocks and one placement cell. यहाँ से connect होके सब एक साथ streamline होके जा रहा है.
all right. So that is what basically they mean by centralized placements.
Yeah,
That PAT team you are talking about.
yeah. The
Uh,
PAT team, the VIT placement cell. See,
mhm,
each college का छोटा सा होता है PAT. Each campus has a PAT team. Okay,
mhm,
like VIT Bhopal has a PAT team, VIT Vellore has a PAT team, AP, and Chennai.
Chennai.
These PAT teams go further into the placement cell, which they are called, like which they call themselves basically.
All right.
Okay, and वहाँ से it gets streamlined, and then we get into different companies and so on.
Mm-hmm.
So I got the mail on around in February, and in
Yeah.
Feb of this year for JP Morgan. The first round was of coding. Okay,
Mhm.
like there were 10 MCQ questions and 2 coding questions. Then the second round was of interview.
All
And
right.
interview is not more of a face-to-face interview, it was more of a recorded one. The questions used to pop up on screen, you read it out, and then you answer.
Hmm. All
And
right. So was it tech or non-tech? Was it HR interview or?
HR interview, more of HR interview.
All right.
So I guess I even remember the question. Like one question was ki describe, like you are in a team situation and again एक बंदा struggle कर रहा है, can't really put up the effort. So how would you talk to that person?
Oh.
Okay, so that was one question which I remember.
Mm-hmm.
So this coding and interview round happened for everyone in JP Morgan. Then I got shortlisted, and I later got a mail in June. I got a mail in June. So you can imagine like February, March so was where last communication the JP Morgan said. Then April, May was full silence. They were basically shortlisting. There were in total 12,000 students who applied for JP Morgan, okay, nationwide. So what they did was they were shortlisting, saw the coding questions, and saw the interview, उसके बाद they compiled it up and then they selected top 650,
Out of
12,000.
12,000.
all right.
So कितना है? 1% की भी नहीं है, I guess.
0.5 something. Yep.
Yeah. So that is it. Then in that top 650, what we did was we were pushed into a hackathon.
Hmm.
Okay,
All
that
right.
JP Morgan has called a hackathon called Code for Good. So what happens in Code for Good is basically they JP Morgan's call the NGOs from one end. Suppose imagine it as a triangle. Okay, JP Morgan is at up. You have NGOs over here. You have students over here. So
Yep.
students will be working on the problem statement given by the NGO.
Oh.
JP Morgan will be witnessing on what the students are developing.
Hmm. Hmm.
Okay, and it was mainly a 3-day event, and usme bhi only 1 day was given for development.
Oh.
In that it was like Saturday morning to Sunday morning.
Hmm. Hmm.
It started
This
around
20.
Saturday 8:30 a.m. and went up till Sunday 9:30 or something.
Yes.
So it was a one entire day. I remember कि मैं सोया भी नहीं था. Like
Yeah,
I
I
slept
can.
for around 3 or 4 hours.
Oh.
Okay. And one good thing about JP Morgan is they will select like the basis on they select you won't depend on if you won the hackathon or if you lost it.
All right. So
So
what's the basis? Then.
basically soft skills and how you work. Ethics.
Oh,
जो main चीज आता है ना जो ethics कहते हैं हम लोग.
the HR wala part, like the non-tech.
Non the tech and the non tech as in आप एक्चुअल में काम कर रहे हैं एंड अगर आपको नहीं आता तो आप सीख के काम कर रहे हैं.
So basically, it was like how we are coordinating with the people there while
Yeah.
in the hackathon.
It is about first of all we were 7, like we were a team of 7. Okay.
Yeah.
So first pehla challenge was how well you interact with people whom you don't know.
Yes.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Then you have to identify what is the core skill of those 7 people.
Yeah.
Someone has web development, someone has analytics, someone has Flutter, and then there's me who is into gaming. You can imagine the scenario and whatever happened.
Yeah. Yeah, I can
Then
get
we
it.
comment out the skills what we can do. Okay. वहाँ से we built a website. We built a web development website with front end. Front end was basically HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Back end was Django.
Yep.
Okay.
So-
and it is not necessary कि सबको सब कुछ आए. Like I personally worked on HTML and CSS.
All right.
मेरे को Django का D भी नहीं आता कि J भी नहीं आता and whatever. Django वाला part was like done by someone else. What JP Morgan saw was the person is actually working, putting in the effort, communicating with the team, is dedicated to build something. Okay. So one quick thing which I didn't say was there were only 90 teams. Okay. 90 teams and only 10 teams I guess won. But
One on this basis, or like one in the hackathon, or
won
like-
in the hackathon.
all right.
10 teams won the hackathon. But क्या कहते हैं selection के for selection they saw all the 90 teams. So in our case we didn't got selected, like we didn't won the hackathon, but still four members from our team got selected into JP Morgan.
All right. So that is where I keep on telling these guys, कि तुम लोग it's all good, like tech तो हो ही जाएगा, because you are from a CSE background, so you cannot always, I mean, tech तो you won't leave basically. At the end of 4 years, you'll have DSA, CP, and some domains in your pocket. But do develop your soft skills, do develop interpersonal communication skills, those skills. Soft skills की class में nobody learns that, but you have to build them. Like,
ये see, it is not something which you can learn from a class.
exactly.
It is not something which you can learn from class. ये देखो, इसका ये जो फ्रूट है ना, इसका रूट्स कहाँ से, लाइक फर्स्ट ईयर से सबसे द फर्स्ट थिंग व्हिच आई सेड, गेट अ गुड फ्रेंड सर्कल. Okay. Second thing, good friend circle है, so you will be automatically motivated to work hard. जैसे in terms of my friend circle, we used to do different क्या कहते हैं, competitive programming हो गया, and even the SIH, as I said, SIH, I didn't know about SIH. Okay.
Yeah.
Like all of us got a mail from SIH like to campus ki आओ, and this is something which we're doing. I wasn't interested in at first, but my friend was. Then he pushed me, motivated me, and then finally we won the SIH.
Yeah.
So SIH, इस hackathon का experience came into Code for Good hackathon.
Exactly.
So you never know which thing will help you. It's more of a process and go with the flow.
Exactly. So yeah, that's that.
Okay. एक और phone कर रहा है.
Did you put the number in the chat box? No, one of they'll
No.
No.
I
All
already-
right. So now this is the last question, Bhaiya, like from my side. Then of course they'll be having so many questions.
Sure.
What, like I've seen failures are very important, like in this span of 4 years, you have to fail sometimes to, get a bounce back, something like that. You have to face challenges and there's so much friction basically in computer science engineering, especially in some colleges, so what do you think was your challenge in the whole term that you had in the university? What was your biggest challenge?
Biggest challenge as such was say, okay, now I'm speechless. I got like बहुत ज़्यादा challenges. Okay, like there will be times which and you will feel demotivated or you will feel कि नहीं करना है, and some like even you will find some of your friends questioning कि why did they choose science. Like now they're in college and they are questioning the decision they made in class 10.
Yeah. Yep. I can relate to that.
So सबसे पहले don't beat yourself up. Okay, major thing. And suppose if you're not interested into computer science and tech as a whole.
Yeah.
Okay, you're not interested at all. Suppose you want to go into let's say finance.
Yeah.
Or whatever, like there are many other domains. Someone likes designing. Designing अच्छा लगता है. They design posters and so on.
Yeah.
So first of all, take your interest, like understand what you really want. Okay. And for me it was pretty simple because मैंने class 10 से सोच के रखा था कि मेरे को कंप्यूटर में जाना.
Yeah.
Even in 10, 11, 12 I had computer science. BTech maybe computer science. So it was fairly simple for me in that way. The second challenge which you may face is lack of motivation.
Yeah.
और constant obstacles. एक story मैं बता रहा हूँ, जैसे again SIH का बोल रहा हूँ. Okay. In the beginning stage of SIH, what happened was we created a project called Alzheimer. Like it was basically creating a game, and we had to detect if the elderly person has Alzheimer or not.
Yeah.
Okay. That thing didn't work out. Okay, the problem statement was dropped by the ministry itself.
Mm-hmm.
So we switched, and also I believe we weren't selected for SIH in the first round. Like college level पे ही SIH में select नहीं हुआ था.
Yeah.
And like, has anyone seen Manikandan sir? Like Manikandan art sir?
that oh my god. Um
Record हो रहा है, शांति.
Again.
Okay, never mind. He's
Yes.
not like he's not in college right now. He has like switched to different college, I believe.
Mm-hmm.
So what happened was he was managing SIH at that point. So he saw a project, again saw a teamwork कि कैसे इन लोगों ने काम किया. And let me tell you, इसमें here comes luck. Okay. The SIH team said that they will be selecting around 3 or 4 people. Like I don't remember the number right now.
Yeah.
Then they extended the number. They said
All right.
you can put additional 2 teams. So great plus point. Manikandan sir saw that we worked a lot, so he called us. Then he told कि the problem statement which he chose earlier was dropped. The second
Yeah.
problem statement was कि आपका, I don't remember. There used to be a map कि यहाँ, yeah, it was basically a map-based application in which you can put your what can I say, questions, or mainly I don't remember. Basically, it didn't work out. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
The second question didn't work out. Again, a huge demotivation for the entire team.
Mm-hmm.
Then again, as Manikandan saw it, then he told that shift from software to go into hardware edition of SIH.
Yeah.
And in that hardware edition, we got the VR rehearsal of fire safety training.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So you can understand कि एक simple college level को पार करने के लिए we tried 3 times.
Yeah.
Got successful in the third time and ultimately won the SIH.
Yeah.
So no one can imagine that कि imagine the rest of the teams कि उन लोगों ने कितना मेहनत किया होगा and नहीं हुआ.
Hard. Yep. Exactly.
Okay. And we tried 3 times over here, तब जाके we got over it.
Yep. Mm-hmm.
So you never really know what will work out. The only thing which you can do is just try. Provided try and what interests you. Like don't go and do something which you don't like.
Mm-hmm. All right. So that's it from my side, guys. That's so many questions that I had, but I've still left a few. Maybe I'll pop them up into your Instagram account. But just
Right.
now I guess I'll have to, let the other people speak. But before that, I have something to show you guys. So let me share my screen. All right. So this is some kind of promotion, you can say, in between a meet. Imagine it as you are watching a YouTube video. So this is about Kabelo.
A worthy
Factory.
promotion, maybe.
Definitely a worthy promotion for Vyangana. So this is Kabelo Factory, new initiative. It is kind of a student-oriented community. It's a paid community, and there are so many things that you get in it. The thing Bhaiya talked about, the development and the non-tech development that we have. Many of the students now in this computer science field didn't get the chance to make as such good friends or good bonds. That when we were roommates, I have my roommate Parth, so we have a quite good bonding. So we are like, if I'm participating in something, I'll ask him, Parth, this is something good, you also participate in it. But since many of the students have met online, they haven't been able to create that bonding basically. So for that, this is some kind of a productive community for students. It's non-tech, but obviously if since the students will be from tech universities, it will be like hackathons mein participation or that, something like that. So we have so many things. There are resume review session, one-to-one mentor session, mock interviews, profile building my LinkedIn, Medium, resumes, then confidence build up, speaking skills, negotiation, manipulation. Then there is just so much that we'll be giving out in this Kabelo Factory community, and definitely you'll make lot of friends. You'll be meeting product managers, entrepreneurs, executives, and many student founders, even not from India. Like in the last meeting, I guess we had Jo from Shanghai chapter. She, like you'll meet a lot of people. So again, it's paid community because we want to keep it very very limited, so that there's no BS over there. And yep, that's that. But there's this thing for you guys. Anyone who is participating in Code Academy's event, they'll get a 10% discount for the first month subscription. So your code is Hardik10. So if you want to fill out the form, you can just go and register over there and you'll get a discount because you attended this meeting. So that's it, guys, for the promotion. Now I'll ask you guys if you have any questions. You can just put them in the chat box, or you can just unmute your mics and ask to Hardik Bhaiya, directly. Bhavyangana has also put up the links for the Kabelo Factory website and also the LinkedIn profiles of we both speakers. So feel free to ask questions, guys. It's your chance now.
Hi, Bhaiya.
Go ahead,
Continue.
Natanshi. Go ahead.
Okay, fine. Hi, Bhaiya. My name is Natashi.
Hello.
Hi, I'm a second year student, and first, your session was really nice. I learned a lot of things and I wrote down many things. My question is, what things we should keep in mind while giving an interview, or what mistakes do you regret doing throughout the year of your college?
Okay, throughout the year of college is basically getting into friendships which I didn't need. Okay, let's just put it in that way.
Okay.
And second thing is interview mistakes, right? Interview mistakes. First of all, there's plenty of mistakes which you can do in an interview. So first major thing which I learned was don't put a thing on your resume in which you're not sure of.
Okay.
Okay. And the second tip for interview is make the interviewer ask questions like which you want them to ask. It's a very simple